If you've ever plugged in a USB device and wondered why some transfers feel slow while others are lightning fast, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down the key differences between USB 2.0 and USB 3.0, and how you can speed up your file transfers. Let's start with speed. USB 2.0, which has been around since the early 2000s, offers a maximum theoretical transfer rate of 480 megabits per second. That's fine for basic tasks like connecting a keyboard, mouse, or flash drive, but when you start transferring large files like videos or backups, it can feel painfully slow. USB 3.0, on the other hand, offers up to 5 gigabits per second, over 10 times faster than USB 2.0. This means copying large files or moving data between devices is significantly quicker. Next, let's talk about physical differences. USB 3.0 ports are often colored blue inside, while USB 2.0 ports are usually black. You might also notice more pins inside the connector on USB 3.0 devices. These extra pins allow for faster data transfer and better power delivery. While USB 3.0 is backward compatible with USB 2.0, you won't get the speed boost if either the port or the device is limited to USB 2.0. Another difference is power delivery. USB 3.0 can provide more power to connected devices, which is helpful for charging phones, powering external hard drives, or running devices that need more juice. This makes it not only faster but also more versatile for modern peripherals. So, how can you get faster transfers? First, make sure both your device and your computer support USB 3.0. Using a USB 3.0 cable is also essential, because an older USB 2.0 cable will limit your speed. If you're transferring data between an external drive and a computer, use USB 3.0 ports whenever possible. Additionally, consider using drives that are optimized for USB 3.0 speeds. Some older drives may not reach full performance even if connected to a USB 3.0 port. It's also worth noting that newer standards like USB 3.1 and USB 3.2 can deliver even faster speeds, but for most users, switching from USB 2.0 to USB 3.0 provides the biggest noticeable improvement. For example, transferring a 10 GB video file might take around 5 minutes on USB 2.0, but less than a minute on USB 3.0 under ideal conditions. In summary, USB 3.0 is significantly faster, provides more power, and is better suited for today's high-speed storage and peripherals. To get the best performance, always use USB 3.0 ports, cables, and devices. And remember, while USB 3.0 is backward compatible, using older cables or devices will limit your speed. If this video helped you understand the difference between USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 and how to get faster transfers, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.